Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about understanding the Java class structure. Classes are the basic building block in Java programs. An object is a runtime instance of a class in our computer memory. An object is often referred to as an instance since it represents a single representation of the class. A reference is a variable that points to an object, but we will take a look at this on a later episode. As you can see in the following example, we have a very simple class called Su. We can identify that this is a class by the reserved word class right next to the class name. Classes usually follow this convention where it has an access modifier followed by the reserved word class and the class name. Class names are usually in capital letters. Reserved words are specific words in our code that Java has a specific use for building and structuring code. These words cannot be used as names for variables, methods, or classes. Because Java does not allow it, it will cause a compilation error. Here's an example of what I mean. We cannot use class as the name for a class. It will throw an error. Sometimes these words are known as reserved identifiers as well. I will leave a link in the description that lists all of the reserved words for the Java language. Please just keep in mind that these words may vary between programming languages. Java allows us to have multiple Java classes inside a single file, but some rules must be followed so our program can run. First, we can only have one public class in our Java file. If there is more than one public class, then there will be a compile error when we try to compile our code. Second, we should always name our only public class the same as our Java file. Same here, if we don't follow this, the compiler will pop up an error. We can see this example. If we change the name of our only public class, the compiler will tell an error. That error says the public type su2 must be defined in its own file. This is telling us that we should create a file named su2 where this class can live. Let me revert that change. As well, if we want to add another class in this file, what we can do is do not have an access modifier. Instead of making it public, we can just add the class su2 and the compiler will create this class with the default access modifier, which we will talk later. Java classes has two primary elements inside of them. The first one being variables or fields. The second one being methods or functions. Both of them combined are called the members of a class. Variables hold the state of the program, where we can store any value that we need. Methods operate on these states, meaning they can do whatever work they want with the information we have stored. Thanks for your time, guys. Hope you learned something today, and I'll see you later.